What I want to argue with this text, Os Culturofagistas, is that if there are a field conflicts since the 17th century, on a global scale, when the ships from the East India companies exchanged commodities with the American, African, and Chinese nations, in particular using visual statements to impose political, ethnic, and religious ideologies, the sensation nowadays is quite similar. We have artists using this battleground of ideologies to create their narratives, and on that level inform about a particular culture, context, and background. On the second level, I'm using the text of Stanley Fish from the 1980s. Is there a text in this class where he argues about the indeterminacy of the renegotiation on the relationship between the time of the author and the time object observer, where what is intended and perceived can be completely distinctive from the sender and the receiver, although they are coming from the same and have the same background and context. Later, Boris Roy, in his book Art Power, already from this century, he discussed the idea of the time of contemplation and the time of the process, or the contemplated process, where one wants to critically analyze and evaluate the communicational intention and an informative visual expression, where what is intended and is perceived by the author can be completely different also when the artwork is already done and is observed afterwards by the author and the audience. The idea essentially is that at the end, when we look at an artwork, we have a different perception of an understanding or the understanding of everyday life.